We've been listening to the sounds of the Christmas season, but to believers in Christ, they are much more than that. They are reminders of the coming of the Christ child to earth. They are the songs that the angels sang to announce his holy birth. They are the sounds of his love.